trying this again one more time. We've got, as simple as you can make it, bread, cheese, and a meat. But you don't have to have a meat. You can just have a protein source of some kind of little spread. But the idea is if you don't have a lot of protein, you just put just enough in there for flavor. And in fact, if you want to lower the amount of meat if you want to transition out of being an omnivore to a vegan or a vegetarian, you want to do it maybe slowly in a lifestyle change, where instead of switching over completely, you use a fake cheese. We're using a real cheese in this case because we're trying to get as many of since we don't have a lot of proteins. Animal stuff is expensive, but Grandma needs a little bit of the animal proteins because it's so hard to get her to eat as it is, and so we want to make it so that it's a little bit of, because if you want to get your proteins or your full mineral and nutrient makeup from vegetarian and vegan stuff, then you're going to have to do it where you eat a lot. And so if you have an elderly parent or you yourself doesn't have time to eat a lot, then you want to get your most bang for the buck. So then you would eat some animal protein. But the idea is that you just eat a little bit. You don't eat a lot. It's not like you have to have a whole several steaks. You can just have just enough to sneak some protein in there, because your body actually doesn't require, especially if you're male, you don't want to have overdose the protein. Now, if you're really active throughout the entire day, then yes, you're going to want to eat a lot more than this. But just a quick snack, or people eat way more than they absolutely need to. You can have, where you just have enough to take that edge off of the hunger. And then you'll still get your minerals and vitamins that you need. Now, to add to the minerals and vitamins that you need, greens, fresh greens. Now, you can do what you can get at the grocery store is just spinaches and salads and stuff. But if you want more nutritious greens than that, you're going to grow your own. And this is called it's not jewels of opar. We do also do jewels of opar. I highly recommend it because it grows like a total weed, especially in the South. If you're in the South, you must grow jewels. Just learn about it and then find it. And then, unfortunately, I don't know if we have any seed that we have. I'll probably send you a plant, but it takes a lot for me to get out of my comfort zone to be able to send a package. So you'd have to be like, $100 for just one jewels of opar, which you could probably get it from someplace else, much cheaper. And same with any plant that we have. If you want me to actually send it to you, you need to be able to get, at least send me $100, because it's the only way I'm going to actually get a package sent to you. But if you're local, you can come by our house or set up a time with us. But the idea is jewels of opar works just as good as salad greens, way more nutritious. It doesn't matter. Even if you're just using a regular salad green, put it in there. Slip it in. Look, it makes the graham sandwich more fuller. I love you. I just want to put my 2 cents in that everybody can eat. I love you.